All set, gates open, then up and racing, nose west, Go Bilis, moving up by the rail, landed Bisa in between runners, step up, racing in fourth, Prince Carlo comes next, then comes Manila Style, as they head towards the last 900, Go Bilis by about 3 lengths, nose west running in second, then racing in third, step up, landed Bisa racing in fourth, Prince Carlo, and trailing the group is Manila Style. Heading towards the last 600, Go Bilis by about 5 lengths. Nose west remains in second, step up, then moving up, landed Bisa. Prince Carlo second last, and a long way back to Manila Style as they rounded the last 450. Go Bilis just in front, nose west, now throwing a challenge on the outside, landed Bisa now running by the rail with the last 200 meters, nose west takes the lead over Go Bilis, landed Bisa with 200 to go. It's still nose west, Go Bilis, and landed Bisa, Prince Carlo, and leading the finish line, it's all nose west. Go Bilis, landed Bisa, Prince Carlo step up, and Manila Style.
2-7 na nananalo.